How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the Enclave. So today we are going to be doing, for like the third time I've recorded this, the review on the Canik SFX Rival. Please admire my beautiful pink holster. I actually had to show someone what I was carrying in the other day. And I'm not gonna lie, 60% of me was really proud and 60% of me was like really embarrassed by that bright pink holster. But quite frankly, I like it. I think it looks good. So argue with me. Let me know in the comments below if you think my pink holster looks tight as hell. I made this myself, so I'm really happy with it. We're gonna do quite a few different holsters for this gun though, just for the fun of it. Anyways, so we have the Canik SFX Rival. Basically, we're going to be doing the unboxing, and yeah, we will get to the actual shooting reviews and also the 1,000 round review, which we are already at and past actually. So yeah, we will be getting those reviews out to you as soon as possible. But for now, we are just going to get into the unboxing. So without any further ado, we'll jump into the intro, top view of the box, and then the bottom view of the box. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here we have the top view of the box, or the top of the box. Starting off, we are going to have our barrel cleaning brush. We have a barrel rod or cleaning rod. You could put your patches and things in there. We have two back straps, including the one on the firearm, a pin to punch everything out, all your pins and things on the firearm, and then finally there we have the little toolkit. So included, you have a bunch of manuals, where all the tools are used, how to disassemble your magazines, put new base plates, springs, all those sort of things, actual firearm disassembly, and then you have like the major manual, which has all the information you're gonna need for your firearm in it, and that all comes in that cool little holder you see there. Okay, so here we have the bottom of the box. Obviously, we have the firearm. With the firearm, you are going to get a holster. I've actually done some modifications to this one already, because it comes with basically a feed-through belt sort of retention system, and with my belt, that's kind of a pain in the ass. So I just built a different quick on and off thing for that holster. It's only for competition and things anyways. In the firearm, you can see a little chamber flag there. All the Caniks come with a little chamber flag. Cool, whatever. You get our 4 optics plates over here, which will basically work for every optic that is on the market from what I know. I don't know of any major production optics that won't fit onto any of these. Maybe if you've got something from some small company or whatever, maybe it won't fit on any of these plates. But yeah, the list, when you look at all the different plates, I think there's 6 of them in total, or 7 in total. I think it's more than 30 different optics. So yeah, you're really not going to have a problem with the optics plates. Also included are 2 aluminium golden base plates. I haven't even touched those yet. Those are pretty much going to be never removed from box for me. But it is what it is, because obviously you get the polymer ones. And then for throwing around, I've got regular black base plates, because then I just don't care. We obviously get, I should come from this side. Oh, why is this stuck in here? Anyways, we get speed loader, second 18 round magazine. Obviously there's one in the firearm. If you wanted, you could just pop this piece of foam out here and pop in another magazine in the box. This thing doesn't spend too much time in the box, if ever. So yeah,
this is pretty much the only time that it's in its box is for this review, and other than that, it's with me. So yeah, getting back to the actual firearm, can remove the cute little chamber flag. I quite like these, to be honest, because it does the purpose. It shows you that your chamber's empty, shows other people your chamber's empty. But at the ranges that I've been to, when using demo guns, they normally come with a chamber flag in them. And I can't even tell you how many of those I've seen broken or bent or whatever. That's never going to happen with this. You're never going to have any issues with this little chamber flag thing. So that's cool. Anyways, getting into some close-ups of the actual firearm. It is quite unique in my opinion. It is one of the main reasons I got it, because I can't really say I've seen any other production gun that comes anywhere close to this. The trigger is debatably, depending on whether you're asking a hater or a true gun lover, this is the best striker fired trigger in the world. The only thing that'll come close is the Walther Q5 match, which is where this thing actually gets its design from. So for those of you who don't know, Canik actually bought all their tooling and machines and things from Walther, which is why all their firearms look like Walthers, because they're pretty much built on exactly the same machines with exactly the same tools, etc. So yeah, one of the best triggers, if not the best striker fired trigger you will find in the world. As you can see there, it's got a slightly fluted barrel, nothing too hectic. The Salient Arms International barrel in the Elite Combat has a much more aggressive fluting. But, you know, this is plenty good enough. Obviously, you can see the slide cuts there. It is cut quite radically. I mean, this makes a Glock 34 look like it's got no cuts at all. I mean, that's pretty much what you get on a Glock 34 up on the top. But yeah, this thing's had a fair bit of its slide cut away. You have really nice serrations, front and back. I have no problem with them. I like this little cut in the front. Looks pretty cool. Obviously optics ready, as I've mentioned, with the plates. So, yeah. Nice windage and height adjustable rear sight, even though I don't use that anymore. It's got a hollow sun that lives on it. I actually am rushing to do this review so that I could put my hollow sun back on it, so that in like 12 hours I can go shoot with my actual hollow sun. So yeah, for purposes of the review, y'all guys get the privilege of a naked rival. So yeah, anyway, let me just ensure that that was a clear magazine. Yes, it was. So let's have a look at the trigger. Basically, so much creep. You get to the wall, which sits pretty much just before 90, and then tiniest little bit of pressure. 2 mil reset apparently, and then yeah, one thing I could say, if you shoot by pulling the trigger and basically coming right back, whoops, yeah, you see, there we go, coming right back and sitting on the wall there, you will find it quite easy to just break that second shot. I've done it about, I don't know, maybe 4 times now, where, yeah, I basically took a shot and immediately on the reset just bang again, because it's a super light trigger. So if that's how you shoot, you definitely would have to get used to that on this, because it is a crazy, crazy light trigger. They say 3 pounds. I don't know. Mine feels a little bit lighter than that. I will need to get a trigger gauge though to actually be able to give you guys proper figures on that. But yeah, anyways, that is the Canik SFX Rival.
So yeah, we will be doing, like I said, the final reviews for the actual shooting and the 1,000 round review as soon as possible. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you got more time, maybe check out another video here at the end. And as always, peace out.